OpenAI just came out with a new UI update for ChatGPT. It's called Canvas, and basically what it lets you do is collaborate with ChatGPT as you're working on different files, code, that sort of stuff. So it reminds me a little bit of Claude artifacts, but let's dive in and see what's different about it, test it out and play around with it a little bit. So this is the blog post announcing the release of Canvas. You can see that you can suggest edits, add polish, add emojis, all that sort of stuff. Lots of animations here, options, but I'm sure you can read this yourself, so let's get into testing it, right? So the way you engage it is basically you come here, select ChatGPT 4 with Canvas. It says beta. I believe you do need ChatGPT Plus for this, but if you have it, just select that. And what we're going to test it out with now is let's update a blog post that I've generated on a YouTube video. So here's one of my YouTube videos that is being monitored in Dumpling AI. I click into it and it's auto-generated a blog post here. So what I'm going to do is just copy this entire blog post. I'm going to come into here and say, can you help me improve this blog post by making it more easily understandable? Let's paste that in. And you can see that it's triggered this side panel here, which is the Canvas interface. And you can see like here, it's similar to Claude Artifacts where you have a little card that you can click into to access the specific canvas. Now, you can see on the side here, there are different things you can do. Suggest edits, adjust the length, reading level, add final polish, add emojis. So nothing super crazy. You could have done all of these things if you just prompted ChatGPT in the past, but I guess it's a way to make it a bit easier. So let's say reading level, what did they have? Keep reading level, high school. It's cool, they got this dragging thing, which is pretty cool. So I make this kindergarten level. I don't know if this is kindergarten level, to be honest, because I don't know if a kindergartner would be able to read this. Anyways, it's quite cool that they've got this interface. What else can you do? So if you select some text in here, you can ask ChatGPT to change it, you can format it. So very basic editing. I'm going to do edit or explain. So I think I can see this being very helpful for if you're coding. So it's very similar to Cursor, where you can select a code snippet and get it to change it or explain it, all that sort of stuff. I wonder what this is on the side here. You can select entire paragraphs similar to Notion AI. But yeah, so far just seems like a very similar thing to Claude Artifacts. I don't think they can render React components or anything like that yet, but it does have a richer editing experience compared to Claude Artifact. But it is very interesting that ChatGPT is building in all these new UX improvements. So interested to see what comes out next from them. But if you had a chance to play around with this, we'd love to know what you think and what you're using this for. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one.